Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your HTML website icon from this to any image you want. So let's start. Here's my website and I want to change the icon. So go to the VS Code and import your image. Your image which will be used as icon must be 32 by 32 or 16 by 16. Now at the head, type this. Then go to your website. And as you can see, website icon is my image. But if you don't see your image as an icon, you need to clear your browser cache. Simply by clicking Ctrl plus F5 on Windows, and Command plus Shift plus R on Mac. Thanks for watching. You'll see me in the next video. Bye.